Hello and welcome. My name is Amuli and you are watching TubeMate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shopify themes to Shopify store, and this is going to be free theme installation guide. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade these free themes to Online Store 2.0. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So simply go ahead and log into your Shopify admin area and then go to themes, scroll down, and you'll see there are two options for you: free themes, and these are basically paid themes. So if you go here, this will take you to a new tab, and if you click on here, this will open a new window. So these are themes that are developed by Shopify themselves, and this is the Dawn theme, which is the latest one. So if your store is old, you might be using these themes here. So what I'm going to do in this series of videos, I'm going to install one by one theme and upgrade them to Store 2.0 so that people can use the latest JSON template on these free themes. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to get started with Express. So go ahead and click on it and add this theme to your themes library. These are two options we have here. So you can see this theme is being installed and it takes time. You can see on here you get both, so free themes and the paid ones as well. You can see these are free. Supply, W, Brooklyn, Empire is the paid one. Okay, this is Dawn theme, which is basically free theme by Shopify themselves, and this is the best theme if you can customize for your requirement. So you can see the Express is still being okay, so it's been installed. Now to publish it, you simply go ahead and click on these actions and click publish and hit publish now. Okay, so you can see this is the theme we have. Now I can go ahead and view it, and this is basically the minimal look of this Express theme. Okay, I lost all the menu and everything. So okay, so if I just go back to my admin and show you how it looks on this theme. So this is how my store was looking with the Dawn theme. Close preview. Okay, so going back, I'll go back to this again, and so with a little bit of customization I was able to come to this look and feel of Dawn theme, and you can see that the score, the page load of this theme was really awesome. So 64 is almost okay. So yeah, so this is how you can install a new theme. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade this Express theme to Store 2.0, Online Store 2.0. So I'm going to show you basically how you can convert this liquid template to JSON on the fly on my local system. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Goodbye.